Jaafar. Michael, let's start with you. All right, so we were watching some mashups of Karen's comments to our very own Matt Johnson, asking her about if she's going to testify. Obviously, she made it seem to reporters like Matt that she was open to the idea, but then she would go off the advice of her attorney. Do you think she should have testified?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. There is no way they could have brought her within 10 feet of that witness stand. She would have only sullied up the case. Look, her attorneys did a phenomenal job creating doubt on the top charge. And so she could have only harmed herself because a lot of baggage could have came up. She might have opened the door to her prior conduct, to her prior acts. Only bad things could have happened. If that attorney wanted to end on a good note, he knew his client. I mean, we don't know his client as well as he knows his client. From the snippets that we saw, a little bit of a narcissist, you know, light is the best disinfectant. Give me a break, right? Like, you know, he knew what he was dealing with, but he did a fantastic job. At the end of that, when you work, like in his case, he worked for close to 2 years to build up to that closing argument, right? 2 years. This was his life, right? I'm sure he had other cases, but this was his life. So to do all that and sully it up and put it all in the hands of a person like Karen Reed would have been a disaster. One thing I remember when I was young, my mentor told me, as an attorney, you always hold your breath every single time your client opens their mouth. Tell your client to keep their mouth closed, because anytime they open their mouth, you hold your breath as to what's going to come out.
Yeah.
So I don't think she should have ever testified.